Hey, peace. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Serrano. How y'all doing? Today we're going to be unboxing some earbuds, and these are going to be really affordable. They were $45. However, the price has dropped a little bit, and they're giving you actually 15% off, and you'll be able to get them for the price of $34 now. So let's check them out. They look pretty cool, similar to the AirPod Pro's design with the case and even the earbud as well. Now these actually will give you some really good specs on here. Was reading that you get 4 to 5 hours of battery. Now they do offer some cool specs here, as you can see right here. 5.0 Bluetooth, volume controls, answer, hang up, change calls, play and pause. You also do get right here, it does tell you that there is a 11 or a 10 dynamic speakers, 10 millimeter dynamic speaker in here. Really good battery, 30 hours playtime when you include the case as well. They're also compatible with iOS, and Android as well. And I think that's pretty cool. Now, these do ensure a quick, fast, secure connection whenever you're doing voice sync for phone calls and video. And we're going to check these out in a little bit more detail. They also do offer the Type-C cable, and you get enhanced quality sound with the Graphene-Enhanced Driver in the wireless earbuds. So let's take a look at these. These just came out over the summer. I want to take a look at these in a little bit more detail. Let's go ahead and check these out in a little bit more detail, left and right. So we're going to go ahead and see what the contents of the box are right here. Just a quick cut. Get these open. So we do have our user manual right here. It does include all of the details right here. So you're gonna get you could start by turning them on. You do get start listening and stuff like that. Place earbuds in, they stay in your ear, start listening, power on and off. It tells you right here that you can volume up and down, and I think it says 3 C's. I'm not sure if I'm reading that correctly. Let's go ahead and check this out. Okay, that's the loudest notification. Okay, so we do have our accessory box right here. Comes with additional ear tips inside of it. All right, cool. So you get I don't want to lose them, so I just tossed them in there, but you get 2 additional ones plus the Type-C connection here. Let's go ahead and take this top off. And you get Type-C on the bottom. The case looks cool. It has the LEDs on the front. It has an auto pairing mechanism. When you open the case, you will get that auto pairing mechanism. It does say Okimo A3 right here. And it does say Sun C. So that's pretty cool. Let me see if you can see that. Actually looks pretty cool. Let me get my device right here. And these say the Okimos. Let's go ahead and put it on the Bluetooth. Test out the sound quality, microphones, everything of that nature. All you have to do is go to pair a new device, open up the case. The A3s will show up on the phone, and it's already paired right here, as you can see. Now we can just take one out. I really do like this matte black color. Pop this in my ear. And let's take out the other one as well. Well, that has a really good solid passive noise cancellation fit. Wow, that feels really good. It just slips in your ear, and the ergonomics of the drum are extremely nice. You can see I have a little bit of ear grease, ear oil in my ear. However, it doesn't matter. That still has a really nice seal with the ear tip as well included. Let's go ahead and pop this baby, give it some first its first run around when it comes to the listening test. So right here you can see that it's at 100% right out of the box, which is kind of cool. And I'm gonna just play some tracks that I normally play. Right now I have Drake Lust for Life, one of his earlier songs. Let me see. So I have the volume halfway up. I'm gonna put the seal all the way in so I could get the full seal. Okay, tap to pause. 2 taps to get to the next track. Three taps for your Google Assistant. What's the weather like right now? What's the weather like right now? Okay, so there's some bass on here. Let's turn that up. Hey, turn volume up 80%. Oh, it's actually pretty good. The bass has a nice kick on the bass and tremolo. Even in the mids, it's on 80% right now. I'm still able to carry a conversation. Let me hold this for 3 seconds and see if that changes the volume controls. Oh, there, you gotta hold it longer. So you see that? Hey, what's going on, guys? So these are the microphones coming out of the Anaka A3s. I just came from working out, so I'm a little bit sweaty. But let me know how the microphones coming out of these Anaka A3s sound. I do like the fit. When I was working out, they didn't fall out of my ear, not one single time. Also, they have a really nice feel in the ear, and overall, really nice sound. The bass out of a 10 is probably going to give you like a 8 out of a 10. Sound quality is like a 7.5, 8. Really good earbuds for the price. Let me know how I sound in an outdoor environment and everything like that. But it's your boy Serrano, and this is the audio from the A3s.